today we are going to discuss about an interesting topic, that is first chapter, real numbers. Okay, now what we have to represent 2.235. So this number will be lying in between 2 and 3. So if you magnify that in between 2 and 3, you will have that 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4, 2.5 like this up to 3. So again our number is lying in between 2.23 and 2.24, 2.235. So we will round that 2.235. So like this we will visualize by successive magnification method. Now angle B is given by 75 degrees. Okay. So 75 degrees from B, I will draw a line. Okay. Now I am trying to cut this arc. Okay. By placing here only, cut this arc also. Now if you draw, so see, this circle will pass through all the 3 given points.
We are going to learn about one of the 5 sense organs of this unit, and in today's session we are going to cover about the largest sense organ, that is skin. This is how the skin looks like internally. As we discussed, kids, this is the hair, small hairs present on the epidermis of the skin. They are of 2 types, right? One is said to be as rough endoplasmic reticulum, the other is called as smooth endoplasmic reticulum. This contains a chain we called as polypeptide chain.
Now I am going to explain a lesson, laws of motion. So what does Newton's first law of motion tells us? A body which is continuing to be at rest unless until a net force is acting on it. Okay. And second law of motion states that the rate of change of momentum is directly proportional to the net force applied there. And third law of motion states that for every action there is equal and opposite reaction.
I am going to explain you about what is inside an atom. When Rutherford he conducted the experiment, so what happened, whatever those alpha particles they are being produced by the source, they traveled in the straight line and he made them to hit the gold foil. Alpha particles వచ్చేసి ఈ గోల్డ్ ఫాయిల్ నుంచి ఫ్రీగా డిస్ట్రిబ్యూట్ అయిపోయినాయి అన్నమాట. అంటే రిఫ్లెక్ట్ అవ్వలేదు. దే హ్యావ్ హిటెడ్ ద దిస్ fluorescent screen, also called as the detector.
Welcome to the chapter, the human rights and the fundamental rights. మానవ హక్కులు మరియు ప్రాథమిక హక్కులు. So actually the rights means the rights are the most common claims of the people which every civilized society recognizes as their essential claims for the development. ఈ యొక్క టైటిల్స్ కొంతమంది పర్సన్స్కి ఇవ్వడం వల్ల ఏమైందంటే దానివల్ల చాలా ఎక్కువ వివక్షత అనేది ఉండదన్నమాట. కాబట్టి నో వన్ ఈజ్ అబవ్, నో వన్ ఈజ్ బిలో, ఎవ్రీబడి ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ అని చెప్పేసి మీనింగ్తో తయారు చేసింది అబాలిషన్ ఆఫ్ టైటిల్స్.
So this service sector in the recent years has gained a lot of importance because their people had the chance of self-employment, and also the output that we will get from this agriculture sector was also very huge.